What's up, guys? We're back with another video, and this is a new series we might start. Comment down below if we should start a new series. Okay, so let's get right into this. We're gonna do a battle. Searching for a match. So we found a battle. I have no idea. Okay, streets. I've been playing this game for a little while. Okay, so okay, so here we go. It's not as easy as you think it is. Oh my god, what is happening? It's so glitchy. Okay, yeah, okay, wait, come on. I don't want to die. And there we are. Okay, what is going on? It was so, like, weird. Everything was so weird. Yeah, the reason why I'm talking very low is because, like, it's pretty early in the morning. And I don't want to wake anyone up. Or, like, disturb them. Oh yeah, sorry about that. It's been a while. But at least I'm back with another video. Alright. Alright, so let me go. And good sniper. Ooh, got some damage on there. Ooh. No. How did I get a kill assist? How did that happen? Ooh, made right up there. I kill someone, they kill me. Okay, that's not fun. Tell me if you wanna do something, like start another series. You can remember. Okay, comment and down in the comments below. You might want just recommend a game you want me to play, and I'll play it. Simple, right? Okay, I want. You can't run. You're too weak. You're too weak. You're too weak. How are you supposed to kill me with the sniper? Kill assist. The guy sounds like so, like, manly. Kill assist. Dawn. Dawn. Yeah, I just should have focused on him. What is that yellow? I don't even. I played the game for a little while, right? But like, there's still more. Like, I still don't know what that yellow thing is when they spawn. when I respawn, I still don't know what that yellow thing is. So yeah, tell me if you like this game or I'll try. Oh, nah. Okay, we're gonna. So the battle's about to end. I'm just gonna stop playing. Okay, just wait. So here we go. So this is the game, and yeah, this is the money. Ooh. So yeah, I am a level 5. I'll show you some, like, the gun. I have this gun and this gun. They're both assault rifles. I have 2 shotguns, this one and this one. Yeah, I have 2 snipers, okay, but this one I keep because it's really good. This one, but the one I really want is this one. I heard that it's really good. So I'm gonna try getting the pistol, and the knife. That's it. And a jacket and a hat because it makes me look cool. So we're gonna do one more match, and then that's it. Okay, so we're gonna try making fun of people because it's gonna be awesome. Okay, so I don't know what map this is because I didn't read it. No, I don't even think. Alright. This is a good spot right here, but a lot of people like going up there. But there's a dude right there. No. Oh, goodness. Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. I haven't showed you how good this one is. The shotgun. Doom, 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 doom. No. Die. Oh yeah, boy. Boy. Okay, so. Oh, eight. Oh, no. Okay, wait. Oh my god. Okay, that came out of nowhere. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I hope I hope you're enjoying this. Oh my god, no! No! Sorry, I had a little bit of a tantrum. Just see myself dying. Oh yeah, this game might look easy, and I might make it look easy, but it's really not that easy. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like lying to you people. Then you guys are gonna go against me, and then there's gonna be a humongous problem. And yeah, I think I should lie. Like, oh, yeah, good thing I spotted him. Oh. Alright, so yeah, I didn't show you how this gun is, so I'm gonna do it right now. Oh yeah, so this gun is really big. Like, really big. You could do aim, but only with certain guns. Only with certain guns. Alright. No. Yes. Oh yeah, revenge, baby. Oh, yeah. Kill assist. Where are you people? Yeah, okay. There he is. Boom. No, at least I didn't get the kill. So 53 more seconds. Okay, we are winning. No, the same guy every time, or the guy with the same skin. Die! Die! How did I get the kill assist? Oh yeah, you do. It's not manual. Like, it's just the shooting is not manual. It's just an auto shooting. Okay, so this was the last match we played. I have 11 kills. Wow. So level 6. Okay, take this. It's fine. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna open my radiation. Oh wait, that's a legendary. Alright. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Like, I really hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe and like, and if you even enjoyed it even more, just hit that notification bell so you know whatever time I make a new video. Okay, so thanks for watching.